following the French and Spanish rule from as early as the 16th century, the island of the Dominican Republic obtains its independence from the neighboring Haiti in 1844. A little bit of history there. So today I'm celebrating our independence, February 27. How I'm doing it? With a traditional Dominican dish that we call it the Mangu. Okay? And this is the ingredient that I'm using to prepare the delicious dish. I'm using fried cheese, okay, salami, avocado. You don't have to, but I want to. My red onions. And to top it up, I'm gonna make a delicious papaya shake. There we go. Also, I'm gonna be using eggs. You know what we call this? We call this in Spanish, lo tres golpe. Okay? Why lo tres golpe? Because we use salami, cheese, and eggs. And the most important ingredient, the plátanos. Dos plátanos. Okay, guys? So there you have it, the Dominican Mangu. Stay tuned, follow me, and I'm gonna show you how I'm preparing this dish. Stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Fill your pot with cold water. Don't ask me why, just fill it with cold water. Not to the top, fill it like 3/4 of it. Throw a little bit of salt in there. Guys, I just put the onion, the red onion. If you hear that noise, that's my dog drinking water. As you can see, guys, I just put a red onion in here. I put a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of olive oil. If you know a better method, let me know so I could follow up and do it like the way you think is best. So red onions, a little bit of vinegar, stop. A little bit of vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, just for taste. You're gonna marinate the red onion. I'm telling you, that's gonna come up pumping. Make sure you lower the heat very low. Let it cook. Let it do its own thing. Okay, I'm not a cooker, by the way. Disclaimer: I am not a cooker. I could see the comments. I could see the comments of people saying, "Oh, what a mistake." I am not a cooker. I'm doing this because this is the way I like it. I'm not teaching anyone how to do mango. I'm just doing it because this is the way I like it, and this is not the way it looks. It's how it tastes. And I'm telling you, this is gonna taste delicious. So before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production, please do so. Support the channel. Leave your comment down below if you know a better method, if you know how to do this better than me. Probably you do. Click the notification bell so every single video that I make goes directly to you. Okay, support the channel. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. So stay tuned for more. We almost done, okay? We almost done. Got 2 more eggs. Taking the plátano in fat. Let me turn up the plátanos because I think they're already done. So stay tuned for more. Let me bring this egg out of here. Oh boy. This is no joke, guys. This is no joke. Let me clean this up, you know. Let me clean this up very nicely. A little bit more butter. Almost done, guys. Don't get nervous. We all hungry here. 1 more egg. 1 more egg to cook. And we should be ready to rock and roll. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. I mean, I'm making this video. I would be long done with this stuff, but I'm making this video to share it with you. It takes a lot of time to make this type of video. Take a long time to edit this type of videos. If I like to share this type of scenario with you guys. Oh, wait 1 second, guys. See what I'm saying? I almost messed up the egg. Anyway, it takes a long time to make these type of videos, you know, and I like to share it with you. So, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to eat it with us, but you get the idea. You get the idea. So, you know, support the channel. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy all this craziness, all this video that I put out there. I try to do it once or twice a week, but eventually more video gonna come out, so you can enjoy them on a regular basis. I'm gonna try to put two videos a week, the most 3. I don't wanna overwhelm you guys with videos, but yeah, almost done. We almost there. Don't panic. Okay, guys, now we are in the last step. What we're doing here, we're removing the plátanos, the plantain from the pot. You guys, there you have it. It's one trick to make sure this stuff works. Don't throw the water away. You're gonna use the same water to smash it. Not the whole water. You're gonna use like a cup and a half, depends. Then you're gonna add water. Then you're gonna add olive oil, a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt. If you want to mix it up together, that's gonna be pumping. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. I got 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and a little bit more. I could say 2 scoops and a half. I'm gonna start smashing it, depending on how it come out. If I need more water, I will add the same water. Remember, you have to use the same water, okay? Let me move this out of here. Salt, if you think you need salt, then you add a little bit of salt. It's up to you, you know. Guys, let me tell you something. Don't worry about presentation. We're just gonna eat this stuff. I swear to God, I don't want to present it so it could look beautiful and then I have to clean more dishes. I'm just gonna use whatever I have and we're just gonna eat it. I'm not gonna present it in a nice plate and all of that stuff. We're just gonna eat it where we are putting the plátanos at. Because if I started putting in a nice glass container, I'm gonna have to clean that stuff later on. So I'm just gonna smash it in this container right here, and we should be ready to go. You could let it rest. Look how this came out. Man. Whew. You could let it rest for 1 minute if you want to. You could just dig in. It's up to you. I'm going to put it on the table for 1 or 2 minutes. Let it cool down. I'm going to start doing my papaya shake. Guys, I'm going to show you the end result. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Okay, guys, I'm doing my papaya shake. I think that's good enough, a little bit more. I'm using Natural Promise Organic 2% reduced fat milk. Because we all that Mangu, I'm gonna need this reduced fat milk. We all that stuff I'm gonna eat right now. Okay guys, let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay guys, there you have it. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Click the notification bell. Support the channel. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. We are going to eat now. Let's go.